Hey everyone, I'm at Montaña Chayofita, the observation deck, and over there is Las Américas, and all around there is Los Cristianos. So I'm just going to take a wee walking tour. Um, I love it here, it's great to be back in Tenerife, so I hope you enjoy this walk. Now, in my previous video, I did say I wasn't expecting much. Um, just like Los Cristianos, but really it's Las Americas that you're seeing there. And I did talk about the previous viewing decks that I've been on. Well, New York really says that's the place for it. Observation decks. It's amazing. So I'm just going to make our way down here, and we'll see what it's like. It's a lovely morning. It's quite good seeing it from here. Now, I'm not entirely sure. I think this kind of part is Los Cristianos, just a wee bit further is Las Américas. It's great to be back. I really love it here. And it makes a wee change for Benidorm, which is where I've mostly been in Spain. Now, I do have videos of Benidorm, also videos of Salou. Now, when I started my channel, I didn't really know what I was doing. I just kept doing, filming everything and anything. I never really did my research. I never learned how to speak to the camera. I'm still a wee bit conscious of it, quite a shy person. So my early videos were quite abysmal. But I did try. So my first place I tried was Switzerland, and they weren't good, but I kind of gave up on it. I did them, and I just left them. They weren't very good, but I left them up. And then I did New York, San Francisco and Vegas, and none of them did anything. And I thought, oh, what am I doing wrong here? I had some Benidorm ones, and I decided that I'm a better YouTuber than what I was. Now, I'm not saying I'm a great YouTuber, I'm just doing what I do. And I've took a lot of inspiration from Scotsman Kevin. If anybody's watched any of his videos for Tenerife, he's your man, you know what I mean? Most of my videos, you're seeing my first time being somewhere, for the most part, except for what Benidorm. And the ones that I mention, if I ever go back, I'm sure I will. But I've definitely come along. I've got a lot better, and I know better what I'm doing. And it's a really good thing to do. Now, this was a wee bit of an underwhelming experience. Walking up to this observation deck, I was expecting something a bit more. Sorry, there's wee things flying about and they're catching my eye. It's weird looking. Don't know what that was. But anyway, doing YouTube, you end up going places that you wouldn't normally do. I wouldn't have normally thought to come up here, I wouldn't have looked for it. The last time I was here, I didn't even know it was here. Not that there's much to see there, but anyway. So I quite enjoy being a YouTuber. I really do. And I hope you've enjoyed these videos. And hopefully, as my channel grows, I'll start to earn money from it. Still not monetised yet, but it's one of the things. But here's the thing, I mean, I was going all these places anyway, so I just filmed them because I was going, and I thought, well, you know, why not? But say if somebody was seriously setting out to be a travel YouTuber and they invested all the money, it's a lot of money and I'm not getting any real results yet. Or I should say, all my other videos, my Switzerland, New York, San Francisco ones, Vegas, they're they're on my other channel, which I started off doing, and it wasn't doing great, and I didn't understand YouTube, so I thought this is going too slow. So I paid for promotions and things, trying to kind of jumpstart it, and it was the worst thing I could do. But so I restarted this channel, and it seems to be doing a lot better. So I'm hoping this series of videos in Tenerife will make it work. Oh, it's a hot day. Can't wait to finish filming and get a beer. There's personal trainers and gym. Arnold Fit Gym. It must be hell trying to keep fit in this heat. Mere restaurants. So really it's more or less a straight road, and it takes you to the Paradise Park Hotel, and then just down through that is the Mirador Strip, which is in Cardiac Hill. It's well named, believe me. It's a Chinese restaurant. Here look, there's a wee Italian. It must be great to live here. It's a dream, isn't it?
She's got all them years that she can't contribute to.
Oh, it's too hot. And it's early morning. God knows what it's going to be like later. Oh, it's only like 11 o'clock in the morning, and already I feel like I want to go in a pool. Wee bit of shade under these trees. Now, when I was here before, it was May. This is June at the time of filming, and I have to say I can feel a big difference. Well, it's really hot, and it's low in the morning, and I hate the heat, so we'll see how it goes. Having a travel channel and you can't stand the heat. Well, it's a good way to earn a living if you can do it, so I'm going to try it. Oh, it's so hot. Now up here's the bus station. It's basically two streets and it's split in the corner. It's cloudy, but you can pure feel it. And I've not got any sunblock on. I've got my hat though, so there's that. I love that. I got it in Vegas, and it's really. I actually wanted to get a cowboy hat, but doing a travel channel, I think the Panama hat kind of fits a lot better than the cowboy hat. Especially somewhere like Los Cristianos, it really fits in with the vibe. Very chilled out. Fountain I like. It's a bit of a pain. You've got to walk away down here to get the crossing. See, there's a bus station. If you're looking for a bus to the airport or anything, here's where you'll get it. It's a wee shops there. And there's a bus with a Scotland flag on it. I'm assuming it's a Scotland flag. One thing about Spain, it's always a bit dodgy crossing the roads. You never know if I get it right away here or not. The zebra crossings. Benidorm's like that. They've got zebra crossings, but not all of them mean people got to stop for you. Some have got traffic lights, so you've got to wait for the traffic lights. Takes a bit of getting used to. It's a super dino supermarket. See, here's more buses. There's a couple of wee cafes and restaurants along here. Delicious healthy eats and naughty treats. British pies, bakes and cakes. Rotisserie chicken. Loaded sandwiches. What's this one? There's a food supplement for bodybuilders. Steakhouse. Decent sized breakfast. What have we got here? ZZ bar. Lager, €250. Street burger. €9.9 for a burger. Hot dog. A drink. I don't know if it includes fries. So I think it's a couple of Indians here. So we're just going up here and it's not far, we'll be at Paradise Park Hotel and then just down through there's the Mirador Strip. Oh, it's a hot day. Did I say that? It's hot. Oh. I have to say, I woke up at 7:30 this morning, absolutely roasting, sweat pouring at me. 7:30 in the morning, it was roasting. Wow, very hot. Now I have to say, Tenerife is probably my favourite of the Canary Islands. I feel there's a lot more to do. Get Siam Park, it's just past there, and Laurel Park. I haven't done Siam Park, but I have done Laurel Park, and I wasn't really keen on zoos, but actually I loved that. I thought it was really great. And the big shocker was the penguin enclosure. Never seen so many penguins. Aye, Laurel Park as well, worth a go. Go and see the sea lions. That was good entertainment.